What do you do with a red celery-like ingredient? You make strawberry rhubarb pie. Let's finally dice some rhubarb, strawberries, add some cornstarch and sugar. We'll be rolling out some almond paste to place in the bottom of the first pie crust pan. Once that's all set, pour in the rhubarb and strawberry mixture into the pie pan. Let's separate the second pie crust from the pan so that we can invert it for the top of the pie. Cut 4 slits in the top to let the steam escape from the pie. Egg wash the top, sprinkle with sugar, and sprinkle with sliced almonds. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 35 minutes.